All right, here's just some quick explanations of some of the questions from the last exam. So this question 4 says, which of the following will not result in an increase in pressure? That means the molecules inside a container are pushing harder against the outside. So will not result. So if you add more gas molecules, so if you have a container with a few molecules and then you add even more molecules, the pressure is going to go up. So it's not that one. Raising the temperature. If you raise the temperature, then the molecules inside get going faster and faster, and they impact the side of the wall with more force, it resulting in increased pressure. Increasing the volume. So if I have a certain number, say 5 molecules inside a container, if I make the container bigger with the same 5 molecules, in this one there'd be way less pressure. So it has to be that one. Number 5 says the partial pressure of hydrogen and oxygen gas in a container are 200 and 100 respectively. What's the total pressure in the system? There's a formula that says the total pressure is equal to the partial pressure of everything in the gas, in the container. So it'd be the pressure due to hydrogen plus the pressure due to oxygen. I guess those are the only two there. So if hydrogen is 200 and oxygen is 100, then together the pressure totally in the system will be equal to 300. That one. Okay, in question number 6, you have to match the laws with the formula and whether they're a direct relationship or inverse relationship or mixed. And we haven't done all the laws yet. We've done Boyle's law, and we found it was direct. If one goes up, the other goes up. Hold on. No. I wonder here, just a second. Boyle is P1 V1 equals P2 V2. So if this one, so if the volume goes up, the pressure is going to go down. So this was an inverse. Yeah, that's right. I have it right. It's inverse, and the law is that one. So you're just matching. So we've done, on Charles, we did volume and temperature. It's a direct relationship. One goes up, the other goes up. There's his law right there. And we've done Avogadro's law too. Another direct relationship, and there's Avogadro's law. So you just need to memorize those. Okay, and then, question number 8. List the 5 postulates of the kinetic molecular theory. So questions 8 and 9, we'll talk about those in class. So we haven't done that yet. Question 10, this one, let me zoom in a bit. Calculate the volume of 10.25 liters of oxygen gas if it's heated from 20 to 35. So this is the initial volume, like I've shown here, and it started at 20. You have to change that to Kelvin. So there it is in Kelvin. They want to know what the second volume is if the temperature is this. And again, we had to add 273.15 to that to convert that to Kelvin, and that's what that is. And then you use Charles's law, solving for V2, this one. So it'll be V1 times T2 divided by this one. And then the last question that you had was number 13. What's the final temperature of a gas that let me zoom in. So starts at this volume and this temperature, and it increases its volume to this, and they want to know what the final temperature is. Okay, so the pressure doesn't change, the temperature or the number of moles don't change. So I'm using V1 T1, V1 over T1 equals V2 over T2. I'm solving for T2, so the formula will be multiply these two and divide by that one. Okay, and we've done that one in class too. Okay, I'm not sure if that helps you out a lot, but that sort of explains those questions to you.